it starts with
One thing, I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep this rhyme to explain in due time. All I know, time is a valuable thing. Watch it fly by.
What's up, brothers? You know what it is. Eddie from 802 Diesel Crew. Today we're going to go over some flare nut sockets. I've had some subscribers curious what these are good for and how to use them. So stay tuned and we'll check that out. So first off, we have this PACCAR engine. You can see this is the turbo setup. This is the exhaust side, and we have some sensors here. So we'll go ahead and imagine that there's a firewall or fenders here and you can't really get to this that well. And we'll get in there and we'll try out one of these flare nut sockets. So we'll take our socket and our ratchet, we can slide it over the tube, and now we can break it free. You might have to readjust it, but you can see how it gets you around the tube here. So here we have the engine, fuel rail, and then it's the lines coming down here. You probably won't be able to get a wrench in here, so that's where this would become in real handy. You can see we can get in there, and now we can actually be able to wrench on that if we wanted to. I'm not going to crack that, but you can see the advantage of where it gets you into down there, opposed to trying to get a flare nut wrench down in there. So here we have this Ford tractor. Down here you can see there is a sensor down in here that would be almost impossible to get to with a wrench from either side here. So we'll see if we can get one of our flare nut wrenches down inside there to help us out. So we'll fish this thing down here on top of the fitting there. You can see now we're in there, and we'll be able to take that off if we wanted to. So here we have a skid steer. You can see how tight the arrangement of the fuel system in this is. So we'll get that one of the flare nut wrenches out, or flare nut sockets rather, and show you how you can jump on all these pretty easily. You can see through here, I don't have my ratchet on here just so you can see what's going on, but you can see that I can jump on all these pretty dang easily all the way through. And then this front row, be able to jump on these. Depending on how you have it arranged, right? You could jump on these. You might have to take that filter out, but you can see where this would be coming really handy. There's not a whole lot of room in here. I'll take you guys out of your little perch. You can see down here how little room there is on that fuel rack and that fuel pump. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that quick little video, and you can see how these could be very beneficial if you're working on 18-wheelers, heavy ag, or in places that are really confined. These can save your life, especially if you have like fuel lines or lines that have wired sensors. These are the cat's meow, so check them out. You know what it is. Eddie from 802 Diesel Crew, signing out, brothers.
She's a back road rider that pulls all nighter. She's a pedal to the floor that makes me hold on tight. A couple shots of her and I start to lose control.